Hello everyone, this is Marty Morgan with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service here in Wise County. I serve as the Ag and Natural Resources Agent, and I love horticulture. So we're up here at the Albert School Gardens with Diane Meadows, our program coordinator for school curriculums. And we're here where they planted this garden. Got my favorite food in front of me, onions. Behind me got some peas climbing on the trellis. Real nice little garden they have up here. And it's part of the Learn, Eat, Grow program and the BLT program. And our main purpose today is to invite you to go to our GardenWise presentation program that we have on our website. So go to wise.agrilife.org and click on the find the news there, and it'll say GardenWise series. Click on that, and we have about 10 presentations on there that's going to give you a lot of information to help you become a better gardener. If you're just beginning gardening, then it'll help you walk you through the steps. We talk about planting a garden, composting, mulching, actually planting the garden in the ground, fertilizing. We talk about watering the garden, talk about fertilizing the garden. We talk about harvesting the garden, plus some other ones, companion gardening. We're going to put it all on there. So it'll be a really good resource for you. So remember to go to wise.agrilif.org. That's wise.agrilif.org. And give us a watch.